IT outsourcing into India, a blessing to Indians but a problem for Australians? From the global outsourcing, the revelations that Telstra is importing IT contractors from India to work in Australia has ignited dispute over the job losses. The Australian unions claimed that the Telstra is paying the Indian contractors one-fifth of the pay of an Australian information technology. The issue is far from resolved, but as the India strives to make outsourcing more attractive. The India's global competitiveness is founded on its infamously low wages. A manufacturing worker's wage is a little more than $1 Australian an hour. The global companies are now beside themselves trying to get into India and hire skilled workers. The Indian IT workers have shown that using the new technologies, that they can now work as efficiently as their counterparts anywhere else in the world. To work in Australia, it is no surprise that the low costs now appear to have allured Telstra. The community and the public sector union stated that the information technology contractors from India are being paid 12,000 Australian dollars. The Telstra and the Indian information technology contractor have denied the claims. The willingness of the corporation to cut the jobs in rich countries and send them to cheaper places like India. The salary of 12,000 Australian dollars appears cut price for the Australians, but it is around 6 times more than the salary of an office workers in New Delhi. The fact is that there are 1,000 more highly skilled Indian IT workers looking work. The India's government and the Indian Information Technology Corporations see outsourcing as the key to Indians' development and the global status. The corporate cost-cutting in rich countries is indeed driving India's outsourcing industry. Some of the Indian IT outsourcing companies claim that they have never stopped hiring. The outsourcing is a part of the same urge to locate production in the lowest cost location. Most of the corporation hype that the outsourcing of the services represents the new era of the globalization. The outsourcing is creating a new wealth in India. It is offering 1,000 of young people the new job prospects, some of the perspective of thousands of the new jobs from the outsourcing is creating islands of affluence amid grinding poverty. The India needs at least 450 million new jobs to help poor people earn more than $1. To keep their jobs, the immortal and the plain unfair for the Australian workers to compete with the Indian wages. This is Anne of Synergy.